Bonding through ragging? Absolutely not. At CGC Janjeri, we believe in value, respect, and positive interactions. Hello and welcome. This is Sunidhi from CGC Janjeri, and today we are here to discuss how CGC Janjeri takes a strong stance against anti-ragging.
You rightly said that we are having complete zero tolerance about ragging, and we are taking all the measures which are required to stop the ragging.
Right.
Whether it is a sensitization towards our faculty members, sensitization towards our directors, we are taking various other measures like putting a lot of banners, leaflets in entire campuses.
Right.
It has been displayed on our websites, it has been displayed into our brochures, and beyond that, like, we are assigning one mentor to every 30 students, so that immediately they can discuss if such kind of incident happened. In addition to it, we are like also guiding and motivating and suggesting our senior students not to indulge in such kind of practices.
Activities.
We are guiding them that this is a bad practice, but yes, being a senior, we always advise our senior students to guide, to mentor their junior students in terms of like acquainted with the entire campus, in terms of like acquainted with the study materials from where they can get the help, whether it is a library or from the content, or how they can get fantastic placements, what kind of preparation they need to have. So basically here at CGC Janjeri, we are not using this word ragging, rather we are asking our senior students to mentor our junior students in terms of their career advancements, in terms of guiding towards every aspect of their life. And in the same way, our faculty member, they are being sensitized, and we are asking that okay, we have to do a complete hand holding to our students, all the students rather.
Right, sir. I guess this entire answer of yours had a vital information, I would say, and it is very much understandable. And sir, lastly, I want to ask you that if I talk about the government guidelines, तो क्या हम उनको भी follow कर रहे हैं?
Yes, we are totally following up the government guidelines. The government is saying that we are taking the undertaking from every student that they will not indulge in such kind of practices. Apart from that, we are having our anti-ragging committee, we are having our anti-ragging squad, and all these kind of informations have been displayed at very prominent places.
Right.
Say for example, in hostels, in library, in their administrative offices, in front of registrar office, on our websites, on our ERP. So everywhere this vital information is available for the help of the students.
Right. All right, sir. Thank you so much for sharing this information with all of us, and looking forward to more conversations. Thank you. With me, I have Dr. Sachin Sharma, who is the Dean Student Affairs. And sir, a very warm welcome. How are you?
Hello, I'm good.
Sir, all right. So in this particular video, we are having a discussion regarding the anti-ragging measures that we take as an institution. So in your observation, what do you think? As an organization, हमने कितना help किया है students को, और हमारी तरफ से क्या step रहे हैं anti-ragging के लिए?
See, as far as anti-ragging concerned, we are the campus where we have zero tolerance against any anti-ragging as such.
Right.
None of the case has been reported as such. In case students have some basic grievances, they report in Department of Student Affairs, where we try resolving the issues within 24 hours. I say less than 24 hours. And any issues, in case in particular a student has, they report in the department, and we have a redressal procedure as such. They come with the written applications or they report in the campus, and it can be to a particular department. We have different your departments where the different issues of the students are reported from different sources. So we try investigating into it and try resolving it within 24 hours.
Right. तो ये जो slot हमने दिया है 24 hours का, so we always make sure कि problem solve हो ही जाए 24 घंटे के अंदर.
Yeah, see, देखा जाए basically problems बहुत छोटी हैं, minor हैं. It can be regarding कभी-कभी regarding transports, it can be regarding academics, it can be regarding some basic services. So 24 hours much longer a time. ये बहुत जल्दी, कई बार तो within say 1 hour or 2 hours they get resorted.
All right. So I think जितने भी viewers हैं, they have already come to know that we as an institution have taken the safety measures, and we always take a glimpse through all the guidelines also at the same time.
And one thing I like to add is that all students are welcomed anytime, whether it is a Department of Student Affairs or it is the admin department or their respective department the students are in. This is one place which is home away from home for all the students who are living in the hostels, and we provide a excellent, state-of-the-art infrastructure and say the teaching pedagogies and the departments as such. So need not worry. We are waiting for you. I welcome you all to the campus CGC Janjeri.
Thank you so much, sir. I have Mr. Aseem Jot Singh Chahal, who is Head International Affairs. Hello, sir. A very warm welcome. How are you?
Thank you so much, Nidhi. I'm good.
Sir, all right. So this particular vlog is all about the anti-ragging measures that we as an institution take. So since you deal in all the international students, what do you feel as a head that what all steps have we taken as an institution to provide them the utmost safety?
Okay, that's a great topic you've touched today.
Yeah.
Since CGC, we feel proud in ourselves by calling ourselves it's our most globalized campus. We have students from 25 plus countries already studying here with us. So we take special care of all our students, not only anti-ragging but about the racism part as well. We have a strict policy for zero tolerance to racism. So that's one thing we make sure that it's completely followed in all the departments by all our students.
That's amazing. I mean, no student would ever feel any kind of discrimination or anything in terms of
Yeah, that's why we feel proud, as I said, about by calling ourselves as the most globalized campus, because that is one thing which no one likes, and one thing when the students are there, they are away from their families, they've come a long distance from their families, and we want them to feel over here, feel like home. So that's why we take special care of that.
Absolutely.
And this message has been sent across to everyone that we take it very seriously. If ever any student is found with any sort of ragging or racism comments or something, a very strict action is taken on them.
Right. And I hope in some past few years, I don't think we as an organization have seen such event. I mean, we already have very strict measures, isn't it?
Yes, definitely. It's not about the strictness as well, it's about awareness as well.
Yeah.
Because there are new faces for the Indian students as well. Sometimes they experience international students for the first time when they come to the college. Yeah. Sometimes in their schools they have not been with the international students. So it's about awareness as well. We teach them about the different cultures. They learn about their food habits, cultural habits, dressing sense. So in fact, students, they get to learn a lot as well.
All right. So if you have to say one word regarding anti-ragging, what would be that one word? The last question.
It won't be one word. It would be again my three main lines: zero tolerance to racism.
All right. That's lovely. Thank you so much for having a word, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
In this vlog, this is Sunidhi signing off, and stay tuned for more such updates.